So we are here today with Curtis and Valerie, and we did the kitchen. We did the kitchen and the cabinets, and we're just going to go ahead and go over a few questions. So how did you happen to hear about Vitex?
We were really just trying to get a refrigerator, and we went to Philco, and he recommended a wonderful cabinet maker named Ivan. And so in talking to Ivan, he came over and did measurements. He said, well, I know a really great company that I'd like to tell you about. It's called Vitex. So I went over to the shop on Sunrise and met with Victor, and as I entered the shop, I got a really great sense of the kind of quality of product that they had there, and the very personal feeling that I got as I spoke with him and the other people that worked there. I had a great sense of this company immediately.
Perfect. And so why did you end up trusting us to do the work for you?
And that is a big thing, the whole concept of trust, because, your kitchen is kind of like the heart of your home. It really is. And so everything revolves around the kitchen. And so it's a project that you want to be done well. So, but, just speaking with Victor, seeing what he had to offer, seeing his knowledge of materials and processes and his own system of doing business gave me a really good, confident sense that this project is going to go well. I just have a lot of confidence because he had a lot of confidence.
Yeah.
And not only confidence, but he was very personable and warm. And so together, those made me feel really good about this.
All right, perfect.
If I could add into that too. The other thing that I think instilled confidence was we had some unique requirements or requests. We would like to have an outlet right in the middle of the counter, or we have this window that sits above the rest of the counter depth, or we have this hanging cabinet that we need to take down, but we need to make sure that the ceiling matches, and all these little special requests. And Victor and the team, they had an answer. They knew how to do that and gave us some good recommendations. Even we were thinking, okay, our kitchen, we need to move the island because it's a little tight when you got a new refrigerator when you're cooking back there, or if you open the oven. And he gave us some really good ideas, so that instilled some confidence. And then once we met the team, they were good guys. We could talk to them, we could tell right away they're really dedicated to the work. So that was helpful.
Perfect. And how about the overall quality? How did you like the quality of everything?
We're both very pleased with it, very excited. Everybody that would show it to us really loved it. We put that in, we could tell that Victor and his team are perfectionists. So if something's not quite right, they want to get it right.
Yeah, so, even things that we didn't catch, they on top.
So it's been pretty cool.
So how was your experience with the overall experience with the team and how everything went and the timeline?
For me, that was one of the most impressive parts, because we've done other projects here in the house, and this one went really smoothly. The timing was pretty much exactly what Victor and the team had told us, and throughout the whole process, there was really good communication. There were some challenges doing this project, which I was really impressed with the way the team worked around. So for example, we had put in the wood flooring way before we even tore out the other kitchen, or before Vitex came in. So I thought this is going to be tough, because they have to tear out the old kitchen, drag a bunch of heavy appliances and cabinets here, and how are they going to treat the rest of the house? And they were just great. They took really good care of our stuff. They didn't leave a scratch on the floor. And as I said, throughout the whole process, communication was really easy. You don't always get that with other contractors. Sometimes they disappear, you don't hear from them for weeks.
Yeah.
And that was very different with Vitex.
Awesome. I'm glad to hear you guys had an enjoyable experience.
Yeah. We really appreciated working with the Vitex company because we had a lot of trust that our home was safe in their hands. It was safe when we were home, when we weren't home. that they were going to give the best quality job that they could, and that they weren't trying to just, you know, get the highest price out there. They were really reasonable and fair, and we just felt very good about the overall experience of working with Victor and Vitex. So we would highly recommend them to other people.
We plan to. Victor, I plan to recommend you and your team to all of our neighbors and all of our friends. Everybody that's come into the house has just loved it. So leave me a bunch of your business cards.